This is the second part of the video. Let's get started. Those residing outside India can now invest more in equities. Then we have overseas spending ease, TCS down to 2%, penalties rationalize, more room for disclosure. Moving forward, we have AI impact on jobs and services panel to look at the road ahead. Then we have Nimhans 2 in North Institutes in Tejpur, Ranchi to be upgraded. Then we have soon Buddhist circuits and vibrates destination. Then we have for a stronger care system, FM shifts focus to allied health professionals. Then we have in fresh chip push, focus shifts to supply chains, IP and equipment. Then we have to cut China reliance, support for rare earths, critical minerals. Then we have in relief for Apple, center removes tax liability on equipment funding. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have budget positions, India to govern growth with judgment and resilience. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Tehran warns of regional conflict if US attacks Iran. Then we have top Slovak officials resign, UK seeks explanation from ex-Prince Andrew. Then we have Gaza's Rafah border with Egypt to open today after 2 years. Then we have judge orders release of 5-year-old father detained in Minnesota. IC raid. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have again the budget page. 5 varsity townships, girls hostel in each district soon, says finance minister. Then we have no mention in speech but rupees 95,000 crore to VBG Ramji. Then we have 16th Finance Commission recommended rupees 4.35 lakh crore grant for rural local bodies. Then we have outlay hiked for SC tribals, disability welfare schemes. Then we have Bharat Vistar to She Marts, rural development gets a push. Going forward, we have again the budgets page. Customs duty cuts will boost local manufacturing. Government announced measures to make India hub of medical tourism, biopharma and Ayurveda drugs. Then we have at rupees 2,288 crore, Bhutan gets largest development aid share among neighbors. Then we have after bids to boost consumption, focus back on supply side. Then we have the health page where we have from EMIs to egg freezing, how women are budgeting for fertility, again very important for health perspective. Then we have if any doubts have arisen regarding the definition of Aravallis, I welcome the formation of a committee, again very important for environment perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.